Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to type X3 in Microsoft Excel program. So firstly type X and 3 and only select 3, right click on it and format cells, select guys superscript, this one superscript, select it, then click on OK. Now click anyway. So this is the method guys to type X3 in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Same method guys. Some different method is that in Word can say easily you can type in Microsoft Word X and 3 and select 3 and here select superscript. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.